Atlas Copco's PTE, the box you would hardly notice if it weren't yellow. Here's the thing. We painted the PTE yellow because otherwise you'd barely know it's there. Why? Well, for one thing, it's very silent, meaning it's safe to work close to the unit. The work floor will be much more pleasant. It's also a very compact solution. The box has a small footprint, meaning it won't take up precious space in your facility. But don't judge it by its size. It will still have an oversized impact on your business. Setting it up is also hassle-free. All connections are plug-and-play. The unit can be up and running in no time. Last but not least, you won't see many service technicians on site either. They can monitor the unit remotely. And the electrically powered PTE doesn't need refueling, which makes service intervals longer. Atlas Copco's PTE, the yellow box that's filled with peace of mind.